Hi, I'm Mike Apple with Surface Shield's Ramboard. I'm one of our national sales managers, and today we want to talk to you about our corner shield. Applications for our corner shield is obviously corners of walls, but you can use it for countertops and other edges. For instance, movers use it for protecting the edges of appliances. Some of the features is it's lightweight, it's preformed, it's reusable, recyclable. It also provides impact resistance just like our regular plastic shield would. It comes in 48 inches, 4 feet in length, but if you need to tailor it or cut it, it's very easy to cut. You can use a regular utility knife or our multi-cutter. To install, we recommend using our clean release blue tape to secure it on the edges. We can custom print your brand, or we can put a message on here. You can find out more information about the product on our website. Thank you for your time.